Hi everybody, it's Becky, and I wanted to do a little show and tell of the little Altoid tin, altered Altoid tin, and little junk journal that's inside of it that I made after seeing Artie Mae's do one, and she made the actual graphics that I used in here too in a size that will work in this little tin. Was specifically made for that. She also has a matching kit for a regular sized journal as well. So I wanted to show you how I did this, and so here we go. Seam binding, and here is a little bulb pin, and it's got a gemstone bead and a little feather charm and a little tiny bitty other silver charm. I have flat back pearls and rhinestones on here, and this cover is just layered. This is one of the graphics. It's a rabbit in a winter scene, and I sealed it with probably 3 or 4 layers of glossy accents. So I don't know if you can see it, but it looks wet or shiny. And then there's I also sealed these in, which are the little rhinestones and the little pearls. There is cheesecloth, there is doilies, there is canvas paper, fabric, there is some pieces of lace trim on here.